Bitcoin has seen a small pump yesterday to the upside. We jumped $400-500 to the upside, and now it's really important for Bitcoin to reclaim the $25,600 level. And I have found a pattern that we can potentially trade that will bring us there and even higher than that if it breaks to the upside. And if you want to take this trade with me together, then definitely stick around here until the end. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, that you like this video, and also activate the bell to never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get directly in today's content here. So first of all, I want to start off again quickly with the DXY. Here, nothing really surprising has happened so far. We saw yesterday this nice dump here to the downside that helped Bitcoin a little bit to pump to the upside, but not tremendously, unfortunately. Normally, when we see such a big red candle going to the downside, Bitcoin goes up like $1,000, which did unfortunately not happen. And today we see here a small bounce from an underlying support level, kind of like there, a small support level where we are bouncing off. But I still believe that there's more downside for the dollar index. So we might pump back up here to 102.57 points here on the DXY, and then roll over, break the support level that we are bouncing off right now, and go all the way down here to close to 100 points, in my opinion. And that will of course lead to that altcoins and Bitcoin and all other risk on assets will pump to the upside. Now, when we are looking at Bitcoin here on the 3-day chart, things starting to look cautiously bullish here. First of all, we have to stay above $25,481. We are kind of clinging onto that level right now. We bounced off the $24,800 level as expected. And now here on the 3-day chart, the stochastic RSI might pinch here to the upside with the next candle, which will then, of course, lead to a stronger move to the upside also in the price action. And also the normal RSI is pointing here slightly to the upside. And again, same rule, when we go here to above 51% on the normal RSI, we're going to see a really big impulse move to the upside, a candle like this here. So that was 27 to 30K. It was a 3K candle in 3 days. So we definitely going to see something like that, in my opinion, once we get over 51% on the RSI. Now the pattern that I wanted to show you is out of the window already, because we broke it to the downside. So we had here potentially a bull flag that was forming, but now it broke to the downside for some reason. I don't know why. Technically, it can still come back up into that range, but I don't really believe that it's going to do that now. So yeah, like I said, so this trade is definitely gone for now. It would have been a nice one. Now we have to analyze and see if we can find something else to mark out here. Yeah, so if we would lose, here's a short trade that we can take, but bulls are stepping in and buying this up right now. So I like that. That was potentially a fake out. Let's say it comes back. Let's say it comes back into that bull flag, and this was really just a lone fake out, a paranormal candle. So then the upside target would be $26,353 if we break $25,600. But for now, with that candle breaking to the downside, I highly doubt that this will be still happening. So as we are now moving here lower, the first level where you can potentially short this to the downside, or let's say the next one where you can short this from, would be here, $25,200. That would be my entry for a short. And then kind of here, there would be my stop loss, 25,342. So let us see what can we do here. So I would short this to the golden ratio. Yeah, so risk to reward 4.5 to 1, absolutely fine. We have here 0.57% risk for the stop, and we have 2.54% in profit if it goes to our target here. So for that potential short, we would be, let's say we trade with 10x leverage, it would be 5.7% stop loss and 25.4% in as profit if we are seeing the price breaking $25,200 and get there our entry. So now what we are potentially seeing here right now is a retest in that candle here. It's a really strange candle that it broke to the downside, but it comes directly back up. So it's of course a good sign that the bulls are stepping in immediately. It's really, really strange because in the chart there was no indication for it. So something happened that it went abruptly dead quick to the downside. So, but I did not see anything. I checked the news and everything. Must have been something while I'm recording this video that caused that, and I could not check what it actually was, what's causing this here right now. So, but let's say the next kind of breaks back into the potential bull flag here. If it breaks back and it closes within that range, then the bull flag is back, back on the map for me. But of course, if it's just breaking back in, but closes then under the potential bull flag, then of course we should be ready for lower prices. Then this was a false break to the upside here, and we go actually then down. So, but this candle is really, really strange. Like I said, I like that the bulls are stepping in to buy this up. Really strange candle. So it could be a liquidation hunt. So maybe there was a huge whale that somebody spotted, highly over leveraged, and they are stop hunting him. That is something that I can imagine what happened here, but otherwise I really don't know where this candle was coming from. But it's fine, guys, it's fine. So just in regards to the trading aspect for that short trade or the potential long trade that we can take here, don't forget that you still get on BYBIT, if you use my specific link, $30,000 absolutely for free, but only with that link here. And also on ASCENDEX, I'm trading right now. There you still get $2,000 for free. And you can earn, while you are trading, BTC, which is really, really nice. And you can also only do that with my specific link here, guys. Definitely check that out. If you combine both together, it's $32,000 absolutely for free, and you earn Bitcoin while you are trading on ASCENDEX. So definitely use both of the links here to take advantage of that while it's lasting. Now let's continue here with Bitcoin. Here on the daily chart, it gets dangerous when it comes to our bump and run reversal pattern, because we are still under the upward sloping former support line, which got broken. It got already retested, and today's candle, if that candle is not breaking back above it so that we go over $26,000, then most likely we see the price action going lower, which will be, of course, something that we don't want to see, but the pattern is then potentially playing out. Technical target of that pattern would be around $18,000. Again, I don't believe that we go that low, but something like $22,000, $23,000 might be then in the cards, and we should be ready for that potentially. I don't say this is going to happen tomorrow, but this can happen in the next coming weeks if we are not seeing a quick turnaround here in the next, let's say, 2 weeks. Also, the Bitcoin dominance is finally retracing here. It was going up earlier. I like now that the Bitcoin dominance is retracing here. I did not check the altcoins. Are the altcoins going up, or are they bleeding like crazy? Some of them going up. Yeah, not really a lot going up here right now. So they were already up today. They're more going down right now than going up. And that's because Bitcoin is going down. So yeah, but I told you guys, once Bitcoin would pump higher to 26 and above, most likely we're going to retest here the 50% level, which we haven't done for 2 years. But from there, I expect a strong rejection, and the altcoin's going to start pumping like crazy once we get rejected from the 50% level in the Bitcoin dominance. And don't forget, guys, it's the weekend, so we will create also potentially a CME gap again, We have 3 hours and 15 minutes left before the markets are closing. So if we keep staying around that price here, we will close then here, and then we have to wait over the weekend where the price is moving. So this CME gap was closed. We can remove this. Yeah, so here more or less is the price for the weekend on the CME. And then we have to see what's going to happen over the next couple of days over the weekend, where the price is going, if we create a CME gap or not. And still, guys, don't forget, this CME gap down here is not yet filled. If we go lower and we break it this low at $24,745, then we should get ready that we might go closer and closer to this gap and potentially also fill that. Only if we see a turnaround here, like I said, in the next couple of days, we can prevent that. If we are not able to go higher in the next couple of days, let's say the next 7 to 10 days, if we're not managing to go higher, then we have a real problem, and this gap filling down here might become a reality. Guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.